Sunan Imam Tirmidhi. Sayyidina Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates, خرج علينا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم وفي يده كتابان. Listen to this, oh brothers. Listen to this. Once the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the beloved of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, came out to us and he had two books in his hand. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam had two books. في يده كتابان. Two books in his hand. And what did Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam say? قال أتدرون ما هذان الكتابان؟ فقلنا لا يا رسول الله إلا أن تخبرنا. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam had two books in his hands. One in his right hand, one in his left hand. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, O Sahaba, O companions, do you know what's in these two books? I have two books in my hand. One in my right hand, one in my left hand. Do you know what's in these books? The Sahaba said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, we do not know. We do not know. إِلَّا أَن تُخْبِرَنَا, except what you tell us. You are the one who has the knowledge of the unseen, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We have no knowledge. Listen to this. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, the book in my right hand is a register. Listen to this. Oh lovers of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, listen to this. Listen to what the beloved sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says about you people, about each and every one of us. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, the book in my right hand is a register which has the name of all those who will be in Jannah. All those who will be in Jannah. The book in my right hand has the names of all those who will be in Jannah. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, it also has the names of their fathers, the names of their tribes. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, I have the knowledge of every member of my nation who will enter Jannah. And the names of each and every one of them is in this book that I have. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam knows your names. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has the knowledge of your name. Not only your name, the name of your father and the name of your tribe. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam knows everything about you. Some people may say, he doesn't know us, why? But that means perhaps you think that because you are Jahannam. Because he said he has the knowledge of all the people who will be in Jannah. You say he doesn't know me, then perhaps you haven't read the second part of the hadith. But for your information, he knows each and every one of you. Why? The Prophet ﷺ said, the book in my left hand, it has the names of all those who will go to hell. And it has the names of their fathers, their clans and their tribes. Each and every one of them.